Alright, so here's a quick video on how I had to figure out how to clean this thing out. So I went to Walmart, and for that screw, the screwdriver you need, took me forever to find which right one to fit. The screwdriver piece to take these out, it's called T10. So I literally just bought the whole pack. I didn't even care because I needed this one little screw, and it was T10. I bought this because you can use this to help to get it off. It's magnetic, so once you put it in there, it holds. But I didn't even use it because it's not that strong. But this is T10. Let me try to make it clear. Okay, bump it. Yeah, you see it. It's T10. So anything that you see at Walmart, if it says T10, that's the one. So you take, not this small side, but you take the kind of big side. And you take it. Actually, it is the small side. So not the big side, the small side. The smaller side, you take it. And you just, I twist mine. Twist it to the left. And it slowly comes out. Literally, it comes right out. Right out. So the screwdriver for it, T10. That's all you need. T10.